Cork Institute of Technology is hosting the Industrial Internet Consortium Smart Manufacturing Forum as part of their quarterly member meeting in Cork. The member meeting will feature some of the world's most influential companies and organisations in technology and manufacturing meeting to accelerate the adoption of the Industrial Internet of Things. CIT has long been a hub for innovation in the areas of IT, engineering, science and business, and leads the way when it comes to research in these fields. The City of Cork is a dynamic centre for economic, industrial, research and business development with numerous manufacturing, life sciences, IT and research organisations developing and implementing technological innovations to optimise and secure industrial systems. On Thursday, May 23rd, the Industrial Internet Consortium joins with Cork Institute of Technology to host its global event series in smart manufacturing. The event will feature some of the top talent, companies and students alike who have an interest in industrial IoT and would like to learn more about the work of the consortium. So join us from 9 AM to 1 PM on May 23rd. This event is free, open to the public and pre-registration is required. The link to register is available on the IIC's website, LinkedIn and Facebook pages.